2002 Pontiac Trans Am Collector's Edition here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Convertible, as you can see, LS1 powered, 5.7 liter, 325 horse, 350 pound-feet of torque. And that's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, which would be one of 492 with the convertible and automatic. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 28,000 on this one. Two-owner car, and that second owner has owned this car since 2,000 miles. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to see the top up, top down, undersides, interior engine bay. As you can see, the WS6 package with the Ram air intake. Collector's Edition yellow with leather dark charcoal interior, riding on the correct wheels. As you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Panels nice and straight. Does have the 3-piece convertible top cover. It also has the bag, the storage bag for that, which goes in the trunk, as well as a car cover that will be included in it. You can take a look at the interior, also in nice shape. Extra set of floor mats are in the car, so there's your collector edition floor mats that will also go with it, still with the box. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Second owner said there was one little scuff right here that was on the car when he got it, back when he purchased it with about 2,000 miles on it. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and it confirms everything about the two-owner car and mileage and all of that. So nothing to be afraid of on this one. And like I always say, we have a third-party open door policy if you want somebody to come and inspect this for you. If you can't make it yourself to take a peek at it, want to have somebody else look at it, check it out, report back to you, feel free to. Not a problem at all. As we take a look down the driver's side, also clean, free of any real nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a look at this interior. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see how the seat hardly worn at all. What you'd expect with this kind of miles and a nice, well taken care of car. Steering wheel controls. AM, FM, CD player with equalizer. Let's check out the exact mileage. We're going to start it up, let you take a peek underneath the hood too. So there's your exact miles, 28,297. All the gauges are working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Tach working. No warning indicators, check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Top of the dash looks good. And everything in working order on this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Pop this hood too while we got the door open. Slip around to the back. Sounds as you would expect. Nice little rumble coming out of that exhaust. Good exhaust, good sounding car. All right, let me pause this 1 second because I want to get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay, and then we're going to take a peek at the convertible top with it up. Check out the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. Of course, that Ram air intake. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. What you'd expect, stock looking engine bay. Here's the battery was replaced in 21, so just a couple years old. Things ready to go, turnkey. Give me a second. I'm going to put that power top up. We'll check out the condition of that and wrap this video up. And here's the top to check out. So power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. The condition you'd expect in a car like this. Black fabric top. Glass rear window with the fogger. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't hardly look like it's ever been used. Very nice condition, nice and clean, no discoloration. The 2002 Pontiac Trans Am Collector's Edition. Remember, clean Carfax, only 2-owner car. A little over 28,000 miles is all. And it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that's included in the purchase price. Consult with your sales associate. That may be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726 is where you can call them. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we're driving a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am. This is yellow with a convertible top. Very strong running car. Great acceleration performance from this vehicle. All our gauges are working. Oil pressure is showing over 60. Temperature around 195. Battery about 14 volts. Fuel tank is half full. Factory tachometer working and speedometer as well. The odometer showing 28,296 miles. Feels like a very low mile car as well. Radio sounds great. Air conditioning is blowing nice and cold. Cruise control is working awesome. If I let go of the wheel, she stays straight in the lane. Maybe a slight list to the right. Could be tire pressure. Not getting any kind of vibrations or shakes. Corners excellent, doesn't lean in the corners at all. Very nice interior, black leather with black everything else, looking really good. Collector's edition version of the 2002 Pontiac Trans Am. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.